And I installed a cherry bomb, right, Jackson, on my car, and I got Jackson with me. So we're gonna give you like the basic like rundown, right?
Yep.
Of what it sounds like. So it's only like $25 if you guys want one. And I'm gonna like drive fast and then show you guys what it sounds like in the car, and then you're gonna stand on the side of the road. Then we'll do drive-bys. Wait until that guy goes a little bit so we get going fast. Oh, he's turning. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Find somewhere to pull over and then drop you off. Alright. By these mailboxes. Stand right there. Okay, so now Jackson's gonna get out. Like, go behind the back of the muffler and I'll rum it so they can hear the sound.
Yeah, it was dope.
Yeah, okay, so that's what it sounds like, and
It's just a cheap one too.
yeah, that's the cheaper version. That's not the nice version.